Hey guys, what's up? While I was editing my previous video, I came to a conclusion that you still have to wake up. You still have to head over to the kitchen to fill your water bottle. In case you don't know what I'm talking about, just head over to my previous video and watch that. Then you can have a context of what I'm talking about. So you still have to wake up from the bed, head over to the kitchen, and that is again tiring. No matter what device I make to just transfer water from one container to the other, you still have to hurt your legs. So I thought of a way with which we never have to set our foot on the floor just for refilling the bottle. So I was thinking about a process with which we can take water from the kitchen and transfer it to the bedroom, and it was successful. I was able to transfer it from the kitchen to the bedroom. Now when I think about this, I feel that this is so convenient that every modern bedroom should have it. For the people who have big homes and the distance between their kitchen and the bedroom is large, I think this setup should be there no matter what. So I use just 4 components to make this happen. So the first component is of course a very long pipe to transfer the water from the kitchen to the bedroom. So I just use a normal PU pipe. Then I used a water pump, 12-volt DC pump, and it works perfectly. Now the power that you need to use for the transferring of the water, it only depends upon the height that you are taking the water first. Like the horizontal distance does not matter, because I understand there are some shear forces on the liquid, but it's not that much. Third component that I use is the plug, the power supply for the DC motor. And the last one is the most interesting stuff. It's the thing which makes this setup so convenient and so useful. It's the smart Wi-Fi plug, and that really is the heart of this operation. Without this Wi-Fi plug, this operation or this setup is still lame. But with that smart plug, this becomes automatic. You never ever have to keep your feet on the floor and go to the kitchen. So guys, now I'll just show you how does this setup works. So let me just take you closer to my bed. This is where I sleep. Yeah, I'm a single man, so I don't need a double bed. Of course I don't. So this is the pipe that I was talking about. Let me adjust the focus first. Yeah. So this is the pipe, and it's going all the way up to the ceiling of my bedroom. There. It's just going all the way to the inside of that. It's going all the way there and there and there, and then it's coming out from there. And then it's going out, heading over to the kitchen. But first, let me show you the real deal. Let me just place my camera here, and I hope it's in focus. Yeah, it is. So this is the Wipro Smart Plug, and the app that I'm using is the Wipro Smart Plug app. You see, this is the 10 amp smart plug. So let me get close to that, and then I'll turn it on. So here we keep it there, and it's placed there. Now I'll just select this 10 amp smart plug, turn this thing on. Now this is currently showing power off. I'm gonna tap it, and then it's power on. Here you see the water is coming. This is what it is. Now when I just turn it off, I'll just click once here, and then it turns off. Now it's off. This is how it works. Now it's off. So this is the pipe, and let me open it. It's going out from here. That's the pipe. It's going all the way there, and it's going there. This is the next bedroom. It's still going. There it is, and it's still here. And then there it is again on its way. There is that pipe that's going, and here is the water pump. Now this is the 12-volt DC pump, and I'll just drop a link in the description if you want to get this pump. So this is from where the water is going into that pipe, and to just connect these pipes I've used this clip. So from here the water goes into the pump, and from there it comes out, goes back into the pipe. Now the smart plug which I have used is this. This is the Wipro smart plug, and it's rated at 10 amps. So it's well suited to run all the equipments and stuff. So this is what it is. There are 4 components. First is this plug, second is this power supply, which is right here. That's the power supply, and then it's the motor, the pump itself, 3, and then it's the pipe, 4. So they are basically just 4 components. So I hope you find this video interesting, and if you like this video, then please do not forget to hit that thumbs up, because the algorithms really work that way. So that was it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon.